Hi, my name's Preet, and we're taking a look at the work that Matter is doing, together with ARUCC, to build out digital micro-credentials in the education sector. With traditional paper-based certificates, it can be quite difficult for employers and institutions to verify the authenticity of a credential. A digital credential is like a certificate you might physically get after completing an education course, but instead of a piece of paper, it's digital. Cryptographically secure from tampering or forging, and convenient enough to access because you keep it in a wallet application on your phone. This means that you always have your credentials on hand and can easily share them with potential employers or other organizations that may need to verify your qualifications. Matter has worked with Creds to ensure that the credentials being issued are not just easy to use, but interoperable in a way that anyone can build on the public specifications. One of the biggest challenges with digital credentials is that they can be siloed, meaning that they're only usable within a system or platform. The credentials being issued through the Matter 7 platform adopt the W3C verifiable credentials specification, allowing verifiers to use common infrastructure to easily verify credentials being presented to them. We recently participated in a multi-vendor interoperability plugfest organized by Jobs for the Future. Here, we looked at making issuance capabilities built by organizations work with each other's wallets and meet the OpenID for VCI specification. Let's take a look at how this works. Here on the Launchpad website, prototyped by Matter, we have the option of selecting the academic credential being offered by Creds. In the real world, this credential can be offered by an institution via an email link or through a student portal, letting the learner collect their credential. To claim this academic credential, I will simply choose my dummy user Louis and scan the QR code shown. In the background, my wallet is communicating with the issuing website to make sure that the correct user information is being used, as well as collecting the credential generated through the Matter platform. And in a few moments, the credential appears on my wallet, ready to be used. As I mentioned, the Plugfest was more focused on testing interoperability with other participants. To demonstrate this, I will collect an open badge credential from the Launchpad website Matter has built using our insurance infrastructure. You can see that this follows the same process we looked at for issuing the example academic credential. Now, we collect the same credential from Dewala, another participant in the interoperability test. Dewala is using their own insurance infrastructure, but as you can see, I'll be able to scan the QR code with my Matter wallet, and in a few moments, I will have another open badge credential in my wallet using standard issuance protocols. The two credentials look different purely because of the additional UI branding added to the credential issued by Matter. The underlying data is the same from both providers. And finally, I will repeat the process again, this time claiming the open badge credential from Intrustian's issuance website using their own platform. As you can see, the process is the same, and we now have 3 open badge credentials issued into my wallet using the OpenID for VCI issuance specification. The work that Matter is doing with ARUCC and Creds to build digital micro-credentials in the education sector is not only making credentials more convenient and secure, but also more interoperable. By adopting the W3C verifiable credential specifications and participating in these interoperability tests, we're ensuring that credentials can be issued and verified by Matter or someone else without using proprietary technology. This partnership with ARUCC and Creds platform is just the beginning of what we believe will be a major shift in the way we think about credentials in the education sector. By making digital micro-credentials verifiable, interoperable, and easy to use, we're helping to create more efficient, fair, and secure systems for recognizing and rewarding educational achievements. Funding for this project is provided by the Government of Ontario. Here are more resources to learn more about Creds.